This is going to be a video tutorial on how to search your bookmarks in the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Brave web browser opened up now. To search your bookmarks in the Brave web browser, if you're like me and you have a bazillion bookmarks, sometimes it's kind of hard to find what you're looking for, but the Brave web browser has a built-in feature where you could search your bookmarks. The way to access that, you want to go up to the 3-bar Hamburger menu in the upper right-hand corner. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Bookmarks. Place your cursor over Bookmarks. Now off to the left-hand side here, you want to go straight across, and then you want to go up to where it says Bookmark Manager, and click on Bookmark Manager. Now these are your bookmarks right in here. The pane off to the left-hand side here is all the folders that you have in your bookmarks. You could click on a folder to see exactly what's in each folder. Or an easier way to search your bookmarks, go up to the upper right hand corner and you'll see a little magnifying glass up here. Click on that. Then you have to go all the way over to the left hand side and you can search for whatever bookmark you're looking for. That is how to search your bookmarks in the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.